line, waiting that long line.
Oh, no, I'm going around.
We coming back. We coming back, y'all.
Man, I think we were supposed to be on Pro Tree, man.
He probably did it on purpose.
Dang, man. Let me see this. Get over there. Oh, man, the time ain't even working.
Goddamn, they partying over there. They got a bunch of Benny.
Let me tell them, let's go back around now.
Grandpa, we finna see if he wanna rerun.
Oh, don't.
We gotta rerun you.
You done for the night?
Let's go.
I thought we was on Pro Tree. It don't matter. I'm gonna have to get back though. We gonna do it again, but come on, let's go. I'm ready. Let's go. I'm parked.
Follow us.
Let's go. These niggas old ass
We bullshitting. We trying to go.
Like only one pass at a time. Get your ass back over here. Trying to get something easy.
He jumped. They said he jumped. He read it.
Them old school. Let it cool down. Come on, man. Get back up here. You ain't make a full pass. Motherfucker balling.
They said he's scared. He's scared. Look out.
He don't need to be scared. He ain't even raised. He should have been scared the fast pass. Tell him, come on, let's do this. We're gonna get him this time, y'all. We're gonna get him. I guarantee you I'm gonna leave on him real good. I thought we was on Pro Tree, because you know that's how usually the grudge races be. Yeah, that's how the grudge race is supposed to be, but... Huh? Okay, yeah, I'm finna get him. Let me tell him. I thought we was on Pro Tree. Let me see something. Yeah. Yeah, hey, we finna do it again. I thought it was on Pro Tree. I thought we was Pro Tree.
Come on with that bullshit.
Hey, I'm ready. That's what I told him.
Come on with that bullshit.
I told him I'm ready right now. I thought we was on Pro Tree, but it's on regular tree. We regular tree.
Man. He can't be doing that. He's slipping.
Can't be doing that, man.
Man.
He got hit in his ass because of you.
Hey, man, y'all got the...
And he ain't got no bandage.
And he gonna get hit in the ass tomorrow.
Man, y'all got the bitch on Pro... Man, it's supposed to be Pro Tree, but hey, we gonna run regular tree, man.
Okay, that's all good, but I'm gonna have to get that.
Yeah, you can get that. I done lost, y'all.
It's all good.
Yeah, we back up there. There it goes.
Hey, that ain't enough just to get your bank.
Come on. Hey. Let me see if they need to let us through, man. I'm ready to.
I got it up.
Where Ronnie at? No, not that. No, the other Ronnie. I need the Ronnie Burns.
Ronnie Burns?
I need to move your car, Ronnie.
He let you in.
The chicken shit, Ronnie.
Hey, man.
You can't let him in?
We need to be let in. Huh? Damn, man, they supposed to be on goddamn me Pro Tree, but we going on regular tree.
She knows I can get through that. I can get through that.
Yeah, I can get through there. Look.
He definitely been in the
Let me go find Ronnie, y'all. Dang, man, I hate our red lighted. But you know usually that shit be on Pro Tree. He done broke. Damn, he done tore it up. What Ronnie at? They always find me when it's time.
I be telling people that drive a standard, you don't have to stall your
That
car.
5,000.
Hell no. 35 to 4,000 at the most. That's why I was fucking people up, little guy.
That motherfucker sit on that tow his shit up.
You don't have to style that bitch up.
Now he got to pay for a tow truck.
Damn. Damn, the tow truck, that part that broke.
That's a daily driver right there. You can't just break it up.
I love my place.
We party with him all the goddamn time.
Boy, run here, man. Damn.
Move, baby.
I hate that out of red light. Now, who the hell done
I
did
bet
a
your ass could beat it.
You think so? Well, at least I know I can make a full pass. Yeah, I'm ready right now. Huh? Well, just what? I ain't got to build none. Tell them niggas 500 or something. I told them 200. I ain't betting up a 200. I ain't building it. Y'all build that shit up. I don't want to be responsible for other niggas' money, splitting, none of that thing.
I'll bet you
I ain't betting no thousands. I'm betting 200 now since I lost. I'm doubling up. I'm doubling up. That's all I can do. Man, I ain't even got that much. Y'all trying to hook and whoop my ass.
They said you were going to say that.
Y'all trying to, I'm thinking that's how I'm going to win.
They said you were going to say that.
They used it a while ago.
No, y'all done won that 100. I'm betting 200 this time. I'm betting who I'm betting you? I mean, well, whoever it is, I just want to, the truck, 200. It was 100 while ago. It's 200 this time. I'm coming up.
Of course I'm coming back.
Yeah, I'm coming back up. I got a double or nothing this time.
No, I gotta stay.
I'm coming back up, y'all. That sticky picker working for me. I think that truck, see, what my advantage is they ain't hooking that good, I don't think. I think I'm a jump out there, out them gates on their ass, and that's gonna be it.
And they gonna be them pearly gates.
Yeah.
Your ass gonna be
I'm gonna whoop that old motor. That ain't got lucky.
that nigga gonna burn your ass up.
I don't think that truck running that hard, fool.
You red lighted.
Yeah.
You nervous?
You red lighted.
Nah, I thought it was
Are
poultry.
you nervous?
A little bit, little nervous.
Hey, well, I ain't mad at you. Admit it. You said you were nervous. I understand that.
Okay, long as you
I
understand.
accept that.
Okay, he understand. Regular tree, the same way.
If they drop a pro tree and we agree to regular tree, hey, nobody pay, man. Bag that motherfucker
But
up.
they ain't gonna drop a pro because they ain't do it a while ago. It's gonna be the same. We ain't gonna have no problem. But I'm ready. I don't want no problem. I'm betting 200 this time.